Hey everyone, and welcome to Clear Success Online. I'm your guide to all things digital marketing. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating universe of affiliate marketing. I promise you, by the end of this video, you'll be ready to turn those clicks into some serious cash. So grab your favorite snack and beverage, hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on this affiliate marketing journey together. Because who wouldn't want to make money from the comfort of their own home while sipping on a latte in their PJs, right? Step 1. Understanding affiliate marketing. All right, let's kick things off with the basics. What exactly is affiliate marketing? Imagine being a digital matchmaker, connecting potential buyers with products or services. When they make a purchase, you get a commission. It's like playing Cupid, but instead of arrows, you're using affiliate links. Love might not be on the line, but money sure is. Step 2. Finding your niche.
Now let's talk about finding your niche.
No, I'm not talking about your favorite hiding spot. I mean your area of expertise or passion. Whether it's drone technology, pet grooming, tech gadgets, vegan beauty products, underwater basket weaving, or DIY home improvement, find something you're genuinely interested in. Why? Because passion sells, my friends, and it makes marketing way more fun. Step 3. Research, research, research. Time to channel your inner detective. Research is your treasure map to digital fortune for potential affiliate programs within your chosen niche. Look for programs with a stellar reputation and high-quality products. Dive deep into niche trends, dissect product performance, and decipher audience behavior. This strategic exploration ensures you align with high-converting programs, unlocking the secret paths to lucrative commissions. In the world of affiliates, knowledge truly is power. After all, you're not in this for pocket change, right? Step 4. Choosing the right products. Once you've done your detective work, it's time to choose your weapons. Products. Choosing the right products in affiliate marketing is like curating a masterpiece. Select offerings aligned with your audience's desires, ensuring they evoke genuine interest. Transform your content into a showcase, spotlighting products that seamlessly integrate with your brand. Quality selections are not just transactions, they're the building blocks of trust and lucrative commissions. Remember, you're not just selling, you're solving problems. Step 5. Signing up for affiliate programs. Congratulations, you've got your products lined up. Now it's time to seal the deal. Sign up for affiliate programs like you're signing a multi-million-dollar movie contract. Well, not exactly, but you get the idea. Be selective. Aim for programs with favorable terms, high conversion rates, and reliable tracking systems. Be strategic and don't settle for crumbs. You're building a partnership, not just a transaction. Step 6. Creating killer content. All right, picture this. You're a content creator with a mission to enlighten, entertain, and of course, sell stuff. Whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, or TikToker, creating killer content in affiliate marketing is the art of turning words into cash and pixels into profit. It's not just content, it's your digital charisma on display. Think of it as the Shakespearean soliloquy of the internet. Entertaining, enlightening, and leaving your audience screaming, "Encore!" If you're convincing enough, they'll follow your affiliate links like breadcrumbs. Step 7. Promoting smartly. Now here's the secret sauce: promotion. Strategically deploy those affiliate links. Don't just scatter them like confetti. Place them where your audience is most likely to be engaged with the message you're putting out there. Social media, blog posts, email newsletters, choose your platforms wisely. Quality over quantity. The goal is to be seen, my friends. We're aiming for targeted traffic to your products, not to be spammy. Step 8. Building trust. Imagine your audience is standing on the edge of a trust fall, and it's your job to catch them. Building trust in affiliate marketing is like crafting a digital handshake. Be genuine, transparent, and honest. Only promote products you truly believe in and would recommend to your grandma. Building trust takes time, but it's the key to long-term success. Once you've got it, your audience will follow you to the ends of the digital earth. You're not just a marketer, you're a trusted advisor. Step 9. Analyzing and adapting. Time to put on your analytics hat. Keep a close eye on what's working and what's not. If a certain product isn't gaining traction, it's okay to pivot. Analyzing and adapting in affiliate marketing is the name of the game, the Sherlock Holmes approach to success. Dive into the data, decipher the trends, and pivot like a digital ninja. It's the fine art of evolution, turning insights into action, adjusting strategies, and ensuring your affiliate empire stays ahead in the dynamic digital landscape. The more you learn, the more you earn. Step 10. Scaling up. Now that you're a seasoned affiliate marketer, it's time for the grand finale, scaling up, where novices become digital dynasties. Explore new products, diversify your content, and reach new audiences. It's the journey from affiliate apprentice to marketing monarch, where success isn't just achieved. It's celebrated with a digital coronation. The world of affiliate marketing is your playground, your oyster, and those commissions are the pearls. Collect them. And there you have it, Affiliate Marketing for Beginners, a step-by-step guide. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topic you want me to tackle next. Until then, happy marketing, my savvy friends! Stay witty, stay savvy, and I'll catch you in the next one.